Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this, the Xega XGS24G LTE surveillance camera with SIM card and without Wi-Fi. You do not need a Wi-Fi network to communicate with that surveillance camera system. But on top we have more. We have 2K 3 megapixel PTZ IP camera system for outdoor use, and the power will come by the sun because it's solar powered. And not only one panel, no babe, there are two panels for solar in or at that device. The solar panels, two of them, will gain the energy to the battery which is in the camera system. PIR motion detection, HD night vision and 355 degrees far vision. Two-way audio and IP66 waterproof level. This is a nice stuff. We have 2K HD night vision, two-way conversation, PIR detection, solar-powered SD card and cloud storage, 355 degrees swivel and 95 degrees indent. IP60 waterproof level. This is 3G and 4G security camera system for outdoor wireless solar panel system. This is the Xega security camera. Yeah. This surveillance camera with SIM card can be used where a Wi-Fi is not ready for us, because it's possible to get there a 3G and 4G LTE coverage of mobile broadcasting. A 300 megabyte nano SIM card is included, with a trial period is included in the package, which is convenient for us. Immediately setup done. 100% wireless and without Wi-Fi. We can use the SIM card from which is built in, or which comes with the box, of course, or we use the German Telekom, AG, Vodafone, O2, SVR, Orange, Bouygues, TIM, AT, whatever. You can choose your own SIM card, your nano SIM card, with that security camera system here. Once charging, and then it runs for a month. With a built-in 10,000 mAh high-capacity battery and a rechargeable battery system, this surveillance camera with SIM card can work anywhere without a power cable. No power supply is there. No prop for that system, because we have a solar powered system. Will the non-stop power supply from that solar panel gives it a long operation time, of course. The battery level is immediately displayed in the U-Box app. This solar security camera is IP66 waterproof, so we never have to worry about rain or snow will damage it. And 355 degres pan and 95 degrees tire. That's a perfect visibility possibility. Because this security camera system has two modes for HD night vision. Wide spotlight, or the wide spotlight, allows the battery security camera a colorful and sharp 2K footage. The IR LED mode allows the outdoor camera superior quality even without color, a clear picture. This is a surveillance camera for solar or powered by solar system of the head can buy an 365 degrees panable and 95 degrees tiltable, and 4x digital zoom is included. The pivot tilt function can be controlled remotely via an app, and immediately motion detection alert is possible if you like it. With the sensitive PIR motion sensor and the latest pixel level detection algorithm, this surveillance camera can detect any movement of people or animals quickly and accurately outside the solar. Then the surveillance camera solar immediately sends an alert to our smartphone. This security camera with SIM card operation has a two-way conversation function, so we can talk to the visitors or intruder about what's going on there. And we have 2K 4 megapixel full HD resolution. Because this outdoor security camera system comes in a big, nice resolution of 4 megapixels and 2K. With a full HD images by day and night, every detail is vivid and clear. Equipped with 10 spotlights and 2 infrared LEDs, this outdoor surveillance camera can illuminate an angle of up to 100 degrees and show us the colorful images, even in complete darkness, up to 30 meters away, babe. That's cool. And on top, HD night vision and 355 degrees wide sight. Because this camera system has 2 modes for HD night vision. The white spotlight, that means it allows the battery security camera a colorful and sharp 2K footage. And we have the possibility of IR LED mode. This allows the outer camera a nicer superior quality even without a color player picture. So if it is completely dark, no problem, we can get a picture. This surveillance camera can have a panel of 355 and 95 tiltable and 14 digital zoom. The pivot tilt function can be, of course, or nearly everything can controlled remotely via the app. This is ideal for places without Wi-Fi and power supply. It's add different cameras on our phone, no problem, because it is 100% wireless and solar powered. Because of the 10,000 mAh battery, it's a big capacity for such a device here. The surveillance camera with SIM card can work anywhere without power cable or power supply. Well, the non-stop power supply from the solar panel gives it a long operation time because at day the solar panel will gain the energy into the battery. And, of course, at the daytime and nighttime, it will operate remotely and without an energy supply by wired connections. And we have a warning lights and sirens because the spotlight of the 4G LTE outdoor camera can be set to turn on when a moving object is detected in the dark. Though that a clear image is created, of course, even in the dark night. We can also set the sound alarm to sound a loud siren to scare away unexpected intruders. At the same time, the PTC surveillance camera will automatically track and record every movement of the intruder, so we will not miss an important moment. And we get an immediately motion detection alert. With this PIR motion sensor, the latest pixel level gives us an information on our smartphone. And then we can choose what we're going to do. Make it two-way audio or what's going on. The solar camera system can withstand difficult weather conditions from -10 degrees Celsius up to nearly 50 degrees Celsius plus, thus protecting our family and property day and night. Thanks to the metal housing, it can withstand more external effects, thus prolonging its service life. When the PIR sensor and the human detection are not triggered, it records with a low power, less than 4 watt. And two-way conversation means if your kid is outside for playing, you can talk to it. It's time for dinner, for example. And then the kid says, okay, no problem, coming in. And you will hear that, and the other will hear that too. So it's a good two-way communication is possible. And we have a schedule for operation time. This security camera has a practical schedule function. We have the U-Box app. UBOX app, so we can easily set up several targeted operations times. And we can share our view. We can share the view to the camera with up to 10 friends or family members via the U-Box app. And, of course, as you can see, that easy installation and remote access. We simply enter the SIM card, install the surveillance camera outside, and then we scan the QR code with the U-Box app. So we can access the security camera with SIM card on our phone anytime and anywhere to check that's going on and share the live view with our family and friends at the same time. All videos can be played or downloaded directly through the app. And that's a good fact. That's really cool, I think. That's a nice thing. We have a 4G security camera, a quick start guide, a 300 megabyte SIM card, a position paper for installation, 6-watt solar panel, a mounting bracket, a USB power cable, and a toolkit, and a second solar panel. Wow, this is the XGS20 for 3G, 4G, and LTE broadcast. These production sizes are 20.32 to 15.24 to 17.78 centimeter, and it weighs about 2 kilograms. We have a power supply with 6-watt solar panel with 10,000 mAh battery capacity. It supports motion-controlled recording, but not 24/7 uninterrupted recording. We can make an alert, send a warning message or warning call via U-Box map. A light warning can be turned on, and we can choose 2K 3-megapixel HD live view, color, infrared, night vision. And the system which we can use it is an Android device or an iOS device instead of a PC and NVR. So, you see, that's cool. That's easy. And the operation temperature, minus 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So, that's a good fact for a good security camera system here, which is solar powered, and it comes with a mobile broadcast system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.